Today we want to talk about the market when they hold once in a year. Yes, though. Once in a year.
Once
In a full year. I never heard that kind one before. Now one of our listeners say, he said not the market now. We go call on now. He go tell us about the market. He said the market there for Ebonyi State. What not put now here because market was with the teaching everything. No. Once in a year. Market day when I know 4 days, 5 days, 3 days. So now once in a year. More call the guy now. Hello. My guy, how are you?
I'm fine, and you?
You get luck. I do okay, no problem. What be your name?
My name is Friday, calling from Ogba.
Okay, Friday. Oh.
Sir?
You say you want to tell us about that market when they hold once in a year.
Yes, now market for my time, gone.
Oh yeah, go ahead and educate us.
Yes, the name of the market now, you know, for Igbo, normally, we get a K and poor market. That is poor market where Igbo people get normally.
Okay.
So this one is named now market.
Oye market.
Yes, and a very big market.
For Ebonyi State.
For Ebonyi State. Yes.
Okay.
But ask anybody for a horse, inside the horse.
Okay.
Yes, very big market.
So now, once in a year that they hold the market.
Yes, once in a year.
Why?
That kind. Now just once in the market during our young festival time, like during August to September time, now the market always goes.
Okay.
So this market now very big market. Everybody from as in for Ebonyi State they come that market. Like some people where they interested, there they come.
Okay.
So this market, all the kings like for community, different kings that they come the market.
Okay.
During that time. And everybody, very big market, masquerade, they come, they dance, everybody go there happy for the market.
Okay, when you say once in a year, how many days that once they last?
Just once, from that kind 6 a.m. to daybreak.
Only one day?
Only one day.
Are you serious?
Yes, now, ask my people now from Ebonyi State, we know the market.
I beg you, people when know about this Oye market for Ebonyi State, make una call us. Oye market.
Yeah, but if you enter a horse, as they say, like from a horse, you go out on a side basis, the local government. Then they go direct you. They go direct you the market. Nobody will know now for that. If you don't reach on the street basis, you don't reach the market. Nobody will know now about the market.
Okay.
So as they say, Oreo, once in a year market for Oreo.
Yeah.
Nobody will know about them. Yeah. Hear me, this market, you go enjoy the market if you come home.
Okay.
During that time, all those kings from different local government, they go gather. They'll come roasted yam, correct yam. You don't ever see yam wey get 3 branches. Never see.
No, I never see.
Yes. They go roast am like this with correct red oil. They will call any king. You go come pick his own. Then touch am with red oil, eat his own. Different kings. Then other people go come eat their own. Masquerade go dance. You will like to always tire.
Are you serious? My God. You are tempting me. Okay, see, make I ask you. Okay, after that day, what you go happen to that market space? Now so they go live until the next year.
You go just dey like that. Now just for the front page, people wey get shop around for the front of the market go just dey do their normal business.
Okay.
That's so the market.
Wow. So they sell different kind of things for the market.
Different kind of things. Gari yo, correct oil. You know, be all this lakpa oil. Correct oil.
So that means for this year now, they never do this year. Oh no, they wait till that September.
They never do, and now during August or September.
Okay. Wow. Oye market, abi?
Yes.
Okay.
That's where the market be. Ask my people then now. They know about the market. They will tell you.
I beg you, if people make una call us, so may we know more because since I was born, I never hear before. But thank God, say we get market runs for year for market.
I even like market runs. Something where you know.
Exactly.
Now for market runs.
Yes, exactly. Because so for we now either 3 days, 4 days with the night we know. But now from market runs and from market history and location, we don't know now. You say it dey for Ebonyi State, abi?
Yes, a horse inside on the street base, the local government. You go down take bike. Just ask anybody about the market. You go reach there.
Okay, so before that time, they go do announcement, say the market won't start. Abi, how did they do it?
Yes, they go do announcement, and some people say I really know the month, but me, I don't forget the exact date.
Okay.
But everybody go know. Everybody don't already know the day where they wait.
So that means
Everybody don't know.
all the kings go come position themselves. They wait.
Yes, from down the sea basin. Yes, if you want go that place from down the sea basin, I say they go honor for Enuago. Then say any bike man go grant you towards one street like that. You don't reach there.
Okay, the yam when get 3 heads, eh? Now every year they bring that kind of yam. Be the one when they shop premium, they will leave it to the next year.
No be saying only the yam wey get 3 branches a day. No, Latata.
Yeah, so good morning, sir. Abima.
Good morning, sir. Na Yeso boy from Ikorodu.
Okay, talk to me, sir.
That market in our side.
Okay. You say okay?
Market in our base in that they call them Ufu. Like you go call them old Ufu.
But that guy said now only a market. I mean, I want it.
Yes, only, but they call them old.
Okay, Oyuku. But make I ask you, wait, now market as in normal market, I mean a festival.
No the festival na normal market, but na once in a year.
So
that once in a year, no any type of yam, anything where you want that day, the biggest market, you go see them that day, go. Yes.
Okay, so now proper normal market, I be once in a year.
Yes.
Okay, no wahala, because our guy from US, Creative Herbalist, he they think say na festival, but now Creative Herbalist, they say na normal market. Hello there, the phone line, talk to us.
Hello, Garatata.
Yes, good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Talk to us. Your name, okay, go ahead.
Yeah, I'm from December or Horse.
Okay.
They do the market once in a year.
Okay.
But from my own knowledge, they've been said that in the festival market.
But now we are confused. Some of now, una welcome for that place. Go now. Don't they divide? Some say na proper market when they hold once in a year during the festival. You now they say na festival market. Say not be normal regular market.
Na festival market. Na so I'm taking no. The normal market na that. Yes. Anybody will be say we don't grow old know the market very well supposed to know am.
I beg you, we are now confused, ladies and gentlemen. People will come from Ebonyi State or Zarabi.
At the time why they village then I don't go the market. That I think they're very, very cheap for the market.
Okay.
Yes, Ratata.
Sir?
You see, though me I'm not from there, I'm from Akwa Ibom State. But since they said the market is just once in a year, automatically I believe in my own side we also have different festivals that comes once in a year. Anything that happens once in a year, that market should be called festive market because it only happens once in a year. It's a festive market.
Okay, but you are talking from your experience from your own side. So this one now, so I say na regular market when they take place just once in a year.
But Ratata, from my own experience, from the experience of my own side, you compare to it and look into it.
No, you don't go be compare. Every year get you know.
But Ratata, which kind of market they will say once in a year?
He not concern you. That one not concern you. Leave them. If they want half in a year, leave them. Talk your own.
The market you are talking about.
Yes, sir.
Is from my village.
Talk to us.
Now, what I want to let you know in that market is if you want to do something native doctor or anything you want to do, you may be looking for the thing. The native doctor may ask you to go and look for something. You may be finding that thing difficult to do, but that particular day, you must surely see that thing you are looking for. Whether 5 years, 2 years, 3 years you have been looking for it, that particular day, you must find that thing. So that's why we call it. That's how that market used to buy.
But make us first. Is it a regular market? I mean a festival market?
It's not a festival market.
Now regular market.
It's regular market. We don't call it. Those people say festival market. Maybe it may be on their own side, but our own side, you call it regular market.
This market, this Oye market, Abi?
Yes. Whatever you need, whatever you are looking for.
Okay.
You must see that
make ask you. I beg you. Thank God say nobody they see your video. Talk true. You don't go buy native things for that before. No, just answer.
Before I'm telling you, like I know what I'm telling you.
Now make okay, no problem. Because that's why you see why would they ask? We not want they say. You were talking saying you say you are from the village gone, so you can't come with from another direction. You say if let's say native doctor say me you go buy anything, say you go see am for that. So I don't want to say I think why, but that's why I say whether you don't have dealings with that kind of thing before. So you now from your response, you say yes, Abi.
Yes.
Now we are talking. So now, if I want to talk about the market now, I can say, okay, if you want find native doctor thing, or if native doctor send you message, you go say for there 3 years, 5 years, though. Why? Because you want to do one before. You don't tell me say that they say for there. I better be so.
You don't get wahala. Anything you need to go to the market.
I like you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Somebody from the village just say not be festival market, say na regular market. When they take place once in a year. But you just can be like say during the regular market that year, they do other things, masquerade, they dance, the kings they come. They say yeah, I get 3 head. They say and shop for there. Vicky from Ikorodu say Ratata, good morning. I was opportune to attend that market when I was in Federal Polytechnic, Unwana, Afikpo. They said it's a market, but allowed once a year. And masquerade is used to open and close it. For that day. Vicky is one of my love list. Let me call her now. Okay.
So masquerade they open and close.
Yes.
That means in a regular market.
Yes. He not done anything. From what Vicky they talk so. You say now regular market when they say now masquerade they open them
and they close
them.
They
close them because
the
they
come
now once in a year.
It's not for festival now.
No, it's not. Now so they do festival for your village.
That's how my village they behave.
Hello, Ratata.
Hey, Afiki.
How you doing? Good morning.
Vicky. Oh God, that's why I love you. Oh no, that was it's a fish carton. My dear, I don't get blisters. Oh yeah, talk to us now. You say you don't go that market. Talk to us.
Yes. That particular year when I was in Poly,
yeah.
They now came to the school to tell us that there won't be school that day because of that market.
Okay.
It's going to be declared like a public holiday. Everybody expected to go there because of the activities involved.
Okay.
We all left school and went to that market. We saw masquerade started. There's nothing you will not buy and very cheap. Think on a normal day that we were buying outside normal market like for 500, 300 then.
Yeah.
It was sold for 100 naira, some 50 naira. And some people will bring food and just be sharing.
Okay.
So some people will bring food and they did not sell the food. They will just sell it. They will just share it.
Okay. Wow.
So at the end of the day, market again and they will finish by around 6, 7. They close the market and everybody will go.
See the following year.
Yes, till another year. They say it's yearly. They do that thing.
Wonderful.
It's not a festival. They say it's a normal market. Some things you buy there, you can't see them on their normal regular market.
Okay.
Unless that particular year, they will do it. They'll bring it to the market.
Like so that year, what year was that when you go that market? So
that was before I got married. That was actually 1988.
Was it before the Civil War, after the Civil War, or before the World War II?
Either 88, 89.
That was after the Second World War.
And I used
88 the Second World War.
Why is it? I mean they confuse her. You too much. Thank you.
Hello, good morning, ma.
Morning, ma.
Good morning.
Morning.
I beg, I don't come from there, but I want to ask question. I beg. Regular, what is the meaning of regular?
Everyday market. When you say normal market, say every day or every 4 day market.
Wait, it doesn't mean that other days that people can trade market there, you can buy market, but not that you see everything.
No, what?
Or that they will lock up the market till that day in the year.
Yeah, now see,
it's not telling something now.
Yeah, the space and that space will be there, right? Till the following year, like we asked that person that time, he say, okay, maybe if you see, small activities, but not be saying a market the way market the be. But say okay, as a one or two, now that's why now one of the callers talk. Right? He said, but the market itself. Okay. He said, but the market itself, an annual market, yearly market, just once in a year. Yeah. So not be your regular, as in not be everyday market, right? But now once in a year market. Yes. Now market, annual market, exactly.
Not daily because they don't go to
yes. And again, not be festival market. Now market, now gongo market, but they did not just annually. When you go our traditional, our real market for your village, you go see nature directly grow.
Yes.
Some as they catch the fish come for river.
For this market, I dey tell you this like go river dey near there.
Oh, they catch and come straight.
Catch and come. Then
you put am for that freezer.
You go see where dem keep chair table. People go as they go the market. If they pass by Sidon, buy it one by the chop for the same market there.
Very
interesting. Then good local music. You go come there.
They did there. Africans, God bless Africa. Africa is sweet.
I feel like going to the village to do 4 weeks.
Yes. Don't go now. After market trust, you can go. It is sweet. Yes, so I'm telling you, it is sweet. And then fresh fish. See, those times, when the time don't come, but when we don't get money.
Yes, boss.
We not be say we no go America, but travel to African villages. Go see life. Direct raw life. You go they meet life face to face. You go enjoy their tradition. We say we go to America, UK, Canada, are good though, but make we still see and experience Africa. Like that village when you talk so. When you without get money,
we'll go there.
We'll go take leave. We'll go to go there. We'll go see that place. Snap picture. Imagine say we do video for there, put them on Instagram.
For near the market, so you go see small monkey them. We fly for trees.
We go to sell our own tradition to the whole world.